Fighting between Armenian and Azerbaijani forces has erupted again over the disputed separatist regions of Nagorno-Karabakh. On the morning of 27th September 2020, clashes in the unresolved Nagorno-Karabakh conflict resumed along the Nagorno-Karabakh line of contact. In this video, we can see an Armenian rocket destroys an Azerbaijani drone, possibly an AN-2 airplane turned into a drone.
Gelin o sikkim al. $1 milyon. Can! Kapav! 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 To! Kapela! Kapela! Inga! Ora Sicilia! Sicilia! Celia, Nakari! Nakari me! Celia!
But then again, we can see multiple very performant Armenian anti-aircraft systems being destroyed easily by Azerbaijani drones. It is known that AN airplane makes a distinctive sound. So why did the Strela system not retaliate against the visible threat of these AN-2 airplanes that can't fly at very high altitudes anyway? The question is, does the Azerbaijani army possess much more performant drones used by its ally, thus the online media footage being meant to show the success of the AN drone? During the new phase of conflict, were shot down several Soviet-era AN-2 biplane agricultural aircraft over the front line. An active appearance of this type of aircraft over the battlefield came as a complete surprise to many, but later it became known that Azerbaijan was using these aircraft to identify enemy air defense positions. New satellite imagery showed that Azerbaijan deployed more than 50 AN-2 biplane aircraft to Yelich Airport. Armenia's defense ministry also posted some video shows an attack on Azerbaijani AN-2 over Nagorno-Karabakh. It should be reminded that Russia has a defense alliance with Armenia and Turkey supports its ethnic community in Azerbaijan. Armenia has started relocating its S-300 missile systems from the capital Yerevan to border areas along occupied Azerbaijani territory. Podofu, thank you for viewing this video. Please feel free to comment your thoughts and opinions on the subject in the comment section. This video is to be used as a media platform for recent events.